Hello everyone, it's Rohan from Bay Computing. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up Multi Factor Authentication, or MFA, in Microsoft 365, step by step with both my computer and phone on screen. First, conceptually, what is MFA? MFA is a security system that requires more than just a password to log in. Even if someone gets your password, they can't get into your account without a second device, which is usually your phone. This protects you from phishing, credential stuffing, and password leaks. So just to look at my screen real quick, on the left side of my screen you'll see my browser, and on the right side you'll see my cell phone screen, which we'll use to eventually set up MFA. So the first step is we're going to go to portal.microsoft.com, which is where we log in to Microsoft 365. And then here it's going to ask us to enter our email, which I'll do real quick. And then our password. Then we get this "let's keep your account secure" prompt. We're just going to hit next on this. And then while this loads, we have to install an application on our cell phone. So you'll see on the screen on the right, I will quickly go to the App Store. And then I'll search for Microsoft Authenticator. It's going to have to be the exact same one that you see on the left. It's not this first one, it's going to be the second one, but you see that they have a lot of options, they all kind of look the same. It's going to be the second one. We're just going to download it real quick. You see how the icon is exactly the same. Make sure you're doing that one. So I'm downloading it on my phone, and then once it downloads I'll hit next on the left screen. So to set up our account, we're just going to follow what it says on the left. Scan this QR code eventually. I'm going to click allow on this, and then we are going to try and scan this QR code. We'll just allow the notifications as well. Looks like I accidentally scanned it twice, but it did connect. So we'll just look at, you can see that it popped up with my company name, and that shows that it's successfully completed. So now it's going to prove the link by showing a number here on the left that we're going to have to enter on our phones on the right, which is going to be 87. So they are successfully linked. And it says at the top it was successfully registered. So at this point we are pretty much done. I will quickly show you what it looks like to log in, but it's going to be this 6-digit code here on the right. It changes every 30 seconds, but essentially after you enter your password, you'll enter that little 6-digit code, so that in that sense, if someone tries to log in remotely, and even if they have your password, they won't actually be able to log in without having access to your cell phone. At this point we are pretty much done. If your organization needs any help getting this implemented and set up, it is the #1 best way you can improve your security posture. Please reach out to us and we can help you out. Thank you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.